Zoom Workplace has updated its share features in the area of picture-in-picture options. Hi, Taylor here of Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and then click on the bell to get notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. For one-to-one training or just to support our content, please click above and connect with us on our Patreon page. Now, when you are sharing your slides or other media on Zoom, you have a few different picture-in-picture options. However, keep in mind that the picture-in-picture features you see are only going to be seen by the participants. When you are recording the Zoom recording is still only going to have the traditional you in a box and your media in a box. That is, again, right now it is the end of May 2024, and at the moment, what the audience sees is not exactly what the Zoom recording is going to get. But when you are choosing to share some content, you can choose to have it in a box like that, where I am to the side of it, and you can see that I have my box of a presentation to the side of me, and I can motion towards it, and I won't get in its space. And it's something that you can keep in mind when you're designing. Now, if you really want to get onto the page and you design it in a way where you won't get in the way of important content, you can choose a picture-in-picture option where you are truly on the page. And the cool thing is you can take this and move you wherever it's going to fit best on your particular slide and say share, and there we go. I have moved sides and now I'm not in the way if I know I designed my PowerPoint this way. If you need assistance in having a successful virtual event, reach out to us. We'd love to help facilitate and help it be the best virtual event you can imagine. Or if you're just curious and want to just learn more about video marketing and how it can help you in your business, connect with us for a complimentary strategy session. We're here to help you be more successful in video marketing. So let us know in the comments. Do you plan on using one of these features? And if so, which one?